On March 27, 2025, the Polish Ministry of Defense signed a contract with the Polish Armaments Group and Huta Stalowa Wola SA for the procurement of the first batch of 111 Borsuk Infantry fighting vehicles for the Polish Army. The total contract value reaches $1.7 billion. The contract stipulates that between the end of 2025 and 2029, 111 base model Borsuk IFV will be delivered to re-equip 2 mechanized infantry battalions. Each battalion has a standard composition of 58 vehicles, including additional armored vehicles to be delivered later. It is speculated that the 15th Mechanized Brigade of the 16th Mechanized Division will be among the first to receive them. The contract also includes a series of training services, logistical support, mass production technical documentation, and acceptance testing programs. The Borsuk IFV comes in 2 variants: an amphibious version with a combat weight of 28 tons and a non-amphibious version with enhanced armor protection, weighing 35 tons in combat. The Polish Army's procurement plan primarily focuses on the amphibious model. The Borsuk features a steel hull, a hydropneumatic suspension system, and is powered by a 720 horsepower MTU 8V 199T20 diesel engine. The prototype was equipped with a Perkins X300 automatic transmission, but the production version will feature an Allison 3040MX automatic transmission. The vehicle is crewed by 3 personnel and can carry up to 6 infantry soldiers. Visually, the most significant difference between the Borsuk IFV and the previously used Soviet BMP series is the transition from sloped armor to box armor. Since the advent of armored vehicles, sloped armor has been widely used for its ability to enhance protection by increasing the ballistic path and improving the chances of deflecting incoming rounds. However, as modern battlefield threats have evolved, box armor has gained increasing attention. This design abandons the complex slope structure in favor of vertical or nearly flat steel plates. Though this concept may seem straightforward, it offers several strategic advantages. First, box armor significantly optimizes the use of internal space. For modern infantry fighting vehicles, spacious interiors not only allow for more equipment and personnel, but also provide room for future upgrades in electronic systems and power components. For example, the Borsuk's interior is designed with modular upgrades in mind, allowing flexible installation and maintenance of power systems, electronic warfare equipment, and active protection systems. This design philosophy is also reflected in the AMPV armored vehicle, enhancing adaptability on the battlefield. In terms of protection, box armor is not a weak point as traditionally perceived. The Borsuk IFV employs a combination of welded Armox 500T steel plates and composite armor. This multi-layered structure effectively absorbs kinetic energy and mitigates the impact of armor-piercing rounds. Its frontal armor can withstand NATO's standard 30mm autocannon fire, while its side armor offers protection against 14.5mm rounds. This level of defense is rare among 35-ton IFV. The power system is equipped with a Rolls-Royce MTU 199T20 turbocharged diesel engine, producing 720 horsepower. When paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, it delivers strong acceleration and maneuverability. Despite a combat weight of nearly 35 tons, the Borsuk can reach a top speed of 65 kilometers per hour on roads and has an operational range exceeding 550 kilometers, meeting the demands of modern rapid deployment. The suspension system is crucial for armored vehicles traversing complex terrain. The Borsuk IFV features a hydropneumatic suspension with 6 independent suspension units on each side. This design not only enhances off-road capabilities, but also significantly improves crew comfort. In Poland's diverse terrain, including muddy fields, rivers, and mountainous regions, the Borsuk can maneuver smoothly, ensuring swift troop movements. In terms of firepower, the Borsuk IFV is equipped with a ZSSW-30 unmanned turret. Its main armament is the Mark 44 Bushmaster II 30mm autocannon, developed and manufactured by American-based Alliantech Systems. The cannon has a rate of fire of 200 rounds per minute and carries 300 rounds of ammunition. When firing high-explosive incendiary rounds, it has an effective range of 3,000 meters, while its armor-piercing, fin-stabilized, discarding sabot tracer rounds can penetrate 120 millimeters of steel armor at a distance of 1,000 meters. To further enhance firepower, the turret can be upgraded to accommodate the Bushmaster 40mm autocannon. For secondary armament, the vehicle is fitted with a UKM 2000C 7.6 2mm coaxial machine gun, developed by Polish company ZM Tarno, mounted to the right of the main gun with an ammunition supply of 400 rounds. Both the main gun and the coaxial machine gun utilize a dual-axis gyroscopic stabilization system. On the right side of the turret, the Borsuk features an anti-tank missile launcher carrying 2 Rafael Spike LR missiles from Israel. These missiles have an effective range of 200 to 4,000 meters, with improved versions reaching up to 5.5 kilometers. Using fiber optic guidance, the missiles are equipped with tandem high-explosive warheads, providing substantial penetration capability. The system can be prepared for launch within 30 seconds, enabling beyond visual range strikes against modern main battle tanks, and even engaging low-flying targets like attack helicopters. At the front right of the turret, 4 smoke grenade launchers are installed for self-defense countermeasures. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with an SSP-1 OB-3 laser warning system. The weapon operator has a blast-resistant seat and a tactical control console, which integrates a large LCD screen, fire control and launch joysticks, and various operational buttons. One of the biggest challenges for the Borsuk IFV has been its cost. Reports indicate that the unit price of a single vehicle is close to $10 million, with the ZSSW-30 turret accounting for nearly half of the total cost. Despite this, the Polish military considers the investment worthwhile. On one hand, the Borsuk's multi-functionality and high performance allow it to replace multiple outdated platforms, significantly enhancing combat capabilities. On the other hand, its design emphasizes modular upgrades, ensuring it can be continuously modernized as technology advances, thus extending its operational lifespan. However, some design choices of the Borsuk IFV have sparked controversy. To achieve amphibious capability, armor protection had to be compromised. The amphibious variant is limited to a weight of under 25 tons, resulting in relatively weaker protection that can only withstand small-caliber machine gun fire. Whether this trade-off proves beneficial in real-world combat remains to be seen. Notably, in the context of the Ukraine war, the operational necessity of amphibious IFV has been questioned, as most armored vehicles tend to cross rivers using existing bridges or engineer-constructed crossings rather than swimming. Additionally, the flat surfaces of the box armor may present a vulnerability against shape-charged warheads. While the vehicle is equipped with an active protection system, its effectiveness under intense enemy fire remains uncertain. Amid rising tensions with neighboring countries, Poland continues to expand its military capabilities, with large-scale replacement of outdated infantry fighting vehicles being a key focus. Under the recently finalized procurement framework, Poland has committed several billion dollars to acquiring nearly 1,400 Borsuk modular tracked vehicles. Over 1,000 of these will be infantry fighting vehicle variants, replacing Poland's aging fleet of nearly 1,000 BWP-1. Other specialized Borsuk variants will include tracked reconnaissance vehicles, command vehicles, medical evacuation vehicles, armored recovery vehicles, and nuclear, biological, and chemical reconnaissance vehicles. The first batch of selected vehicles is scheduled for delivery between 2024 and 2025. Once all 1,400 IFV are delivered, Poland is expected to become the NATO European country with the largest infantry fighting vehicle fleet.